you should take crappy pictures. Okay, maybe not actually crappy pictures, but pictures that wouldn't impress other people. How many times have you gone out early to get the perfect picture of a landscape or a landmark? How many times have you put hours into a photo shoot with a model that you barely know? Yet so many professional photographers that I know don't get great pictures of the things that really matter to them, their kids or their family. And I don't mean a studio shot, because I've a lot of posed pictures of my daughter, but I mean a genuine documentation of the things that you love. As photographers, we have this really powerful skill to document and to storytell with a picture. And so often, I know I use that skill to tell somebody else's story or the story of a place or a thing, and I forget about the things that matter to me. So I wanted to compel all of you to take a crappy picture, a picture that maybe won't get the most likes on Instagram or social media. You probably won't put it in your portfolio, but you're going to cherish it in 20 years and look back and be very, very happy that you have it. One thing that I've done that I'm very happy about is I've documented my time with my grandmother. She's 86 years old. She cooks for us every Sunday, and she loves that. I love knowing that one day I'll be able to share with my grandkids what my grandmother was like, going to her house, the food that she cooked, the happiness that she felt when she was able to do that. I don't really share those pictures. I don't think any of you would care, but I look at them and they make me more happy than almost any other picture that I've ever taken. So go out, or don't go out, stay in and take pictures of the things that really matter. Your kids in the morning with messy hair, your spouse, how they work in the garage every weekend, or how they work in the garden, just the little details. Maybe your favorite bike that you rode to work for the past 5 years. These are little details about your life that you'll be happy you can remember. They'll bring back memories for you one day. You'll be able to share them with people that you love in your future. And I think that that's worth it, to use our skill for something that's going to really matter to us. If you'd like to share those memories with me, go to #PhotosForMe on Instagram. I'm going to put a few pictures up there too, and maybe we can get something going where we start taking pictures for us and we start taking pictures for the art of photography, because I love taking pictures and I love having a portfolio-worthy picture. That's so exciting. But I really like the idea of just taking the time and using these skills to do something that I can really cherish. Maybe no one else can, but it will matter to me. If you have a photo that you cherish, let me know about it down below. If you have other ideas for how photographers can use their skills to enrich their own life, tell me about it. And are you like me? Do you spend more time with a model than some of your own family members taking pictures, or taking pictures of some mountain, but you have no pictures of, I don't know, your mom? That's so sad. I bet you are kind of like me. Let me know down below and on Instagram with that hashtag #PhotosForMe. Thanks, guys. I have a lot more pictures of Pixel than anyone else I know.